currently shearing at the moment. These are lambs. They'll go through that shed up there and they get shorn and they come out like these white ones over here because they got no fur on them, so they're all white. Or no wool for, well, this pot here, we chuck them through this machine, it sprays them with chemical stuff to get rid of the lice and flies and fleas and so the wool's all good. And then there's some tanks up there, so that's a paddock we take them to. All around is paddocks that we use, so a lot of them have been shifted off, but we've been shearing 6,000 sheep here, so we've got about 1,500 to go. Nearly done, should be done tomorrow, which would be good. We've got one more property to do, but yeah, it's been interesting, and yeah, if they all go mouldy, that's a lot of money, a lot of business down the gurgler, so you don't really want that to happen. But that's what they use it for. I'd be interested to find out what the organic guys do with that. But yeah, it's all interesting, it's all learning. We're getting there. He's hungry. Bro, it's a metal bar. Up-oh! Up, up, up! Up-oh! Up, 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 up. This way. Go on. Push up, Wolf. Push up, push up. Push him up. Push up, Roddy. Push up, Roddy. Push up, Wolf. Up, oh, up, up, up. Go for it, Nobby. All yours, bro. Just up it. Alright, watch this. This is crazy. I'm gonna study this later. What? No, you gotta finish it now.
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.